In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Webflow. Whether you're embedding a promotional video, a tutorial, or a personal project, integrating video into your website can enhance user experience immensely. Let's dive into how you can do just that with Webflow. First, ensure that you're logged into your Webflow account. This is your starting point to access the design tools that make Webflow so powerful. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard, locate the project where you'd like to add the video, and open it in the Webflow Designer. This interface is where you'll be doing most of your work. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the Webflow Designer. Here, you'll want to find and click the Add panel, represented by a plus symbol. This panel contains a variety of elements that you can use to build your web page, from basic text and image elements to more complex forms and media. Once you've opened the Add panel, scroll down until you reach the media section. This is where you'll find the video element. Click, then drag this video element directly onto your canvas in the desired location on your web page. Doing so allows you to place your new video exactly where it will best fit into your design. Now that the video element is on your page, double-click it to open the settings menu. A small window will appear. This is your gateway to customizing your video embedding. Paste the URL of your desired YouTube or Vimeo video into the field provided, then hit enter. Almost immediately, you should see the thumbnail of your video materialize in the designer window, giving you a clear visual confirmation that you've embedded it correctly. Another approach involves using the YouTube video element. Just like before, you drag this onto your canvas. With the element selected, go to the Element Settings panel, accessible by pressing the D key. Here, paste the YouTube URL. This panel also lets you tweak settings such as autoplay, controls visibility, and whether to enable privacy mode, all useful features depending on your audience's needs. If you need even more control, you might consider dragging the embed element instead. And this option opens a custom code editor, giving you the flexibility to paste any or other HTML video embed code provided by your hosting service. This option is ideal for those who are comfortable with coding and want to fine-tune their video integration further. Finally, click Save and Close when you're satisfied with the embed settings. Your video will then appear exactly where you placed it on the canvas, seamlessly integrated into your web page. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully added a video to your Webflow project. Whether you opted for a simple video element or a custom embed, your site is now equipped to engage visitors with rich, dynamic content. Happy designing!